open up things from Five Below.
Wait. We're opening stuff from Five Below?
Yeah.
Yay.
Alright. So what's the first thing you see?
Oh, I know. Oh, unicorn. What? You threw it. You are so energized. You should probably stop throwing them.
Alright.
Tastes like squishy. Oh, I didn't know it was gonna feel like that. Oh my god.
That is good.
We're gonna make a cheesecake. Making a cheesecake. Batter. Making a cheesecake, everyone.
Super squishy.
I didn't know it was gonna be this squishy. Look, it doesn't taste like real cheese. It tastes like pudding. I like cheese and squishies. Unicorn. You should eat everything. I'm just hungry. I haven't even had breakfast yet. Ew. I haven't had breakfast yet.
Alright. Leesee, pick out the next thing you want to open. Okay, so grab the other one so we can. Here we go. Two of these
For ages 3 and more, so your 4-year-old or 5 or 6 or 7 or even 188 can have this. You know I'm on the go ahead and open them.
Alright.
You just do one cut and then
Cute animal faces.
I think this one's a cutie. What do you guys think this one is?
They're pretty sticky.
Oh yeah, they are. We can slide them on the wall.
Beads. Beads on the side.
Yeah, I won't stick on the wall.
Here, we can stick them together.
This is my first bead squishy.
Mwah.
Hug. What's yours? I think yours is probably a bear. I think yours is probably a bear. That was a bear. Yours is pink and purple, and mine is just blue and light blue. It has water and beads inside it. This one is my first bead and water squishy. I've never had a bead squishy before. I don't think I've even had a water squishy. Yeah, I have it. I think I rate this squishy a 10 out of 10, and that one's an infinity out of 10.
Oh, definitely an infinity on it.
Look how
strawberries and cream.
And you can add stuff in them. Yeah, I'm a professional. Yeah, I'm a professional at opening these. It exploded. Let me just get all these extras off. Oh yeah, and I can I even get these off? Ooh, what is it doing? I thought it was gonna be.
Smell that.
I thought it was gonna be. Why does it smell like medicine to me?
It smells like strawberries.
I don't know why, but it smells like medicine to me. I don't know why. My sense. My sense.
Like a
knows
certain
sense.
certain smell that I Then you can start using that. So it comes with sprinkles and these little
And strawberries.
styrofoam balls
I brought them anyway.
and styrofoam strawberries.
They're all made out of styrofoam. I wonder why these sprinkles are so sweet. Alright, and time to add. Ooh, this is okay, your slime, Mommy. I'll add my stuff. So this is Mommy's slime. And you guys can just get it from 5 Below if you want to know what this one feels like. And it looks like oh, hey, that's my slime. Give
I
it.
know.
Give it. Give it to me now.
Here you go.
Oh, this is so cool. Don't mind if I put it on.
Be careful, it might stick. Your food in that.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, I made it into a blanket on accident. See how far this can stretch? Oh, oh, whoa. Oh my. Oh my! That can stretch far. It might even like stretch to the end of the world. I think it's going. At first it smelled like medicine. Now it smells like oh my god. It's so satisfying when you swirl it. You swirl it back into place. It looks so cool. All the sprinkles are just everywhere.
That's okay.
Wow. Right. Time to add the stuff. This is so. They should make this bubble gum squishy. They should make this bubble gum. This is literally. Instead of adding like 3 like I added in the jar, I could add like more than 3 balls. I'd even more than 10 maybe. I don't know if I even squish these.
Yeah, they're just styrofoam.
So cool, and all the sprinkles are just overflowing. Time to add the strawberries. This is the strawberries. Yeah, make them separate. Oh my gosh. Some of the sprinkles already went out. red squishy. They have shaving cream and I like the red squishy.
Yeah, they're pretty cute. They got cute little faces.
Yeah. I chose the orange one because my favorite color is red and this is like the closest to red. And I'll be opening up this one since you open
Oh,
two.
we can trade. I like the purple.
Okay. Yeah, purple's her favorite color, everybody. Mine's red for some reason. I don't know why it's just red. I like how I can actually see the shaving cream. It would be even cuter if like the white stuff were also different colors.
Yeah.
Okay, they kind of do smell. But not, they don't really smell like the bread. Is the bread squishy? I don't even know what it smells like.
Alright, you want to tap this one? Timber!
I
Alright.
am not
Let's
green.
do yes, that one.
Oh my god. These are so cute. They're really Sanrio.
Sanrio, Hello Kitty and Friends. Squishy sensory balls.
They also have Orbeez inside. Yeah, look. Or just balls like these. I don't know.
I feel like we saw these on Dr. Squish at one time.
No, I don't think she had these.
You don't think so?
I'm gonna open up the cinnamon roll one. Guys, I love cinnamon roll. They should have kohlrabi in here, bro. I love kohlrabi. Whoa.
I've got Hello Kitty,
I will open pom pom pudding.
and we've got our Hello Kitty ears on. There's Hello
And guys, I don't think unicorn is gonna be in the rest of the video because I need two hands for some stuff. So
that's
what else? I love kohlrabi, Hello Kitty, cinnamon roll, and pom pom pudding. They are just so adorable. Whoa! It exploded. I think my favorite is probably pom pom pudding and cinnamon roll. It makes cinnamon roll even more cuter.
Aw, cinnamon roll is really
I
cute.
feel I like cinnamon rolls. He's really cute. Really pom pom pudding, pom pom pudding. Look at pom pom pudding.
So cute.
Oh, they have Orbeez inside.
Alright, what do you rate these?
So I rate the macaroons, a 10 out of 10. The slime is a 9 out of 10.
A 9 out of 10.
It's just the smell.
You don't like the smell of the strawberry.
And these I am rating infinity out of 10.
Ooh, just like the cheese.
Yeah, these are infinity out of 10.
Okay, so we got the
Let me
cheese.
switch this one.
And we've
You
got...
can't even see the Orbeez inside of this penguin. Guys, I don't even know the name of this penguin guy. Can you tell me the name of the guy in the comments?
That's true.
Literally me on Monday mornings. The hair.
What was... What did you rate these?
I rated those a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Now I rated those
The blind bag. The Barbie? Okay.
Barbie that we have in there is like the one from the Barbie movies, like with shoes and stuff. I like picking stuff up with my feet. And every single time I'm sitting at a table and something drops under the table, I pick it up with my feet. Oh my. Let's see. Oh my. I think this is the different ones you can collect. So, Barbie. First, let's look at the. Oh my gosh, that's so small. We literally lose these.
Teeny tiny.
Oh, and the case even has its own little handle.
Okay. Open it up. Let's see what's inside.
So this is a little Barbie. So this is oh my gosh. It came with Ken. Oh, and guys, there's a little shelf in here so you can put all your mini Barbies in.
So we've got Barbie and Ken.
But like a big Ken. And in this case is a little shelf that you can put your mini Barbies. You can store your mini Barbies in here so that they won't get lost. That's really cool that
There
we
we
have that.
go.
I like how
Just like that. Rate that.
I rate that an infinity and 2 out of 10.
Infinity 2.
Now this years old.
Okay. Let's open it up.
Hey guys, I also owned one of these and I got a Karami one. You got a Karami? I knew you got a Karami. But you have a different one. Guys, we are down to one and get mine.
Yeah, these are the Hello Kitty and Friends. And this is the one that Leesee opened. Well, this is the one that she opened
Yeah,
earlier.
that's mine.
And this is mine.
Oh, and guys, I have this really cute hair clip too. It's really pleasant.
Okay, do you have one more thing?
Yeah, and it's kind of. Oh, wait. We have another thing in there. Dumpling squishies. Squishies. Dumpling squishies. Let's go ahead and do the snot slingers. And we also have
Oh, let's do this first.
Okay.
Okay, let's open those.
Yeah, these are little dumplings. I've never had dumplings. Not even in real life. I've never had anything dumplings. I've seen like dumplings on like shows and movies and videos and stuff. But I've never had any dumplings. You can get 3.
These
A
are
dumpling, a pig dumpling, and a chicken dumpling.
dumpling squashies. Ooh.
I wonder if they're the slow rising ones. Let me test out.
There you go.
Oh no,
Pig.
I wish they were slow rising.
Oh, they're with the foam on the inside.
Or shaking.
Shaving cream. There's a pig.
And a regular one
A
and
regular cute little dumpling. A duck. Maybe. A duck or a chicken.
That looks like a duck. Or a banana. 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 And now one more thing which is sort of gross. Snot slingers. You can sling the snot. At least they're not real. Oh, they're sticky. They're sticky. This looks more like slime.
Oh, did you rate the snot?
I rated it an 8 out of 10. Oh, and guys, unicorn back. Let me go ahead and squish one of these. Oh my gosh,
All
milk
right.
snot.
What was everybody's favorite? Comment down below.
I think my favorite is all of them. Cheese.
The cheese.
I think the cheese is my favorite.
Yeah, I
Give me the
agree.
cheese.
All right.
It's so thick.
All right. So let us know what your